Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm going to be showing you guys a really quick way to screenshot on Snapchat without the other person knowing. So what you want to do is we're going to use the burner account as if someone sent me a snap. And what you want to do is make sure the snap is loaded first. What you're going to do, just make sure it's loaded. So swipe up to make sure it's loaded. So just keep swiping up, make sure it's loaded. After it's loaded, what you want to do is go into airplane mode, turn your Wi-Fi off, have everything off. And then you're just going to want to open the snap, screenshot it, go in chat, screenshot too. Just screenshot, do anything you want in the chat, and their snaps they sent you. And what you want to do after this is swipe out of the app, delete the app with airplane mode still on, and then turn your Wi-Fi back on, go in App Store and re-download Snapchat. So after Snapchat's re-downloaded, what you want to do is just go open into Snapchat, go sign back into your account. As you can see, the snap is still there. It's the person hasn't seen that you have opened it or you even screenshotted it. So what you're going to do, I'm going to show you that when I go in my photos, you can see the screenshots of the chat and of the snap they sent you. So then we're going to go sign into the my other account, the burner account that I used as the example, as if they were the other person. So the other account is the burner account. So as you can see, it still says delivered 8 minutes ago, as if it never got opened or even screenshotted. So yeah, that's the glitch. You can see that it didn't seem like someone screenshotted it. It still seems that it hasn't been opened yet, but we know that we screenshotted it. Alright, thanks.